Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your health with Oscar Health easy tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your health with Oscar Health, start by visiting their official website. Create an account if you're a new user. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once logged in, navigate to the Health Insurance Plans section. Review the available plans tailored to your needs. Select the plan that best suits your health requirements and budget. Click on the plan to view detailed information, including coverage options and monthly premiums. Take note of any additional benefits offered, like telehealth services or wellness programs. Fill out any necessary forms to enroll in your chosen plan. Make sure to provide accurate and up-to-date information during the enrollment process. Once your application is submitted, check your email for a confirmation message. Follow any additional instructions provided in the email. Next, familiarize yourself with the Oscar Health Member Portal. Here, you can access your policy details, claims, and healthcare providers. Download the Oscar Health app for easy access on your mobile device. Use the app to schedule appointments or consult with doctors from home. Keep track of your health metrics through the app's wellness features. Finally, stay informed by checking the latest health tips and resources available on Oscar's platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.